Imagine you're halfway through a technical U-turn on a gravel path or stuck in soul-crushing city traffic. Usually, that's a recipe for hand cramps and clutch stress, right? Well, Honda just decided to delete that problem from your life. Say hello to the 2026 Honda XL750 Transalp E-Clutch, the bike that's trying to convince you that your left hand is officially obsolete, and honestly, it's making a very strong case. The evolution of the Transalp has been a massive hit since its rebirth in 2023, even bagging awards for being the best sub-1000cc adventure out there. But for 2026, Honda didn't just give it a fresh coat of paint. They've packed it with a ride-by-wire throttle and their signature E-Clutch system. The result? A bike that feels like it's gone to finishing school but kept its wild streak. It still has that punchy parallel twin engine we love, but now it's paired with tech that makes riding feel almost effortless. How it actually feels, so how does this E-Clutch wizardry work in the real world? Technically, you don't even need your left hand on the bars to pop it into first gear at a stop. There's no clunk, no jerk, just a surgical snick into gear. Whether you're crawling at 2,000 revolutions per minute or pinning it on the highway, the bike manages the clutch plates using tiny motors and gears with more precision than any human could. It's so smooth that even if you're a manual-only purist, you'll find yourself forgetting the lever exists within 10 minutes. Off-road and spirited riding, the real magic happens when things get spicy. During the launch in Portugal, the bike handled everything from smooth tarmac to dusty trails without breaking a sweat. Because the E-Clutch is now integrated with ride-by-wire and traction control, it acts like a super intelligent slipper clutch. You can hammer down through the gears while diving into a corner, and the rear wheel stays perfectly planted. No hopping, no locking up, just pure engine braking bliss. It frees up your brain bandwidth, letting you focus on the line ahead rather than worrying about stalling in the dirt. The verdict: is it perfect? Well, it's not a hardcore enduro beast, and the extra tech does add a bit of complexity. But for under £10,000, including a massive 6-year warranty and fully adjustable Showa suspension, the value is insane. Honda hasn't just added a gadget. They've refined the riding experience. It's plush, it's involving, and it's arguably the smartest middleweight adventurer on the market right now. If you want a bike that works with you, not against you, the 2026 Transalp is calling your name.